Hello everyone, ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 35 Composite Material Modeling Method number 1 Conventional Cell. It's very easy to study. Zero basics can also follow me. Let's begin. First, open software, set directory. Today is June 16, number 10. Okay, create cell 3D planner. Continue. Okay, click that. Next, material. I use my material lab. CFRP millimeter. Lamina E1, E2. Okay. I don't care the material. You should have your material. This is mine. Okay, this is not distillation important. I will show you the conventional cell operation. Click this for conventional cell. Continue. Double click region. Click this planner. Click done. Next, material. Double click CFRP. Okay. Thickness is this thickness. For example, 0.2 millimeter, and so on. Rotation angle 0, 30, 45, 90. Okay. Direction. Pay attention. Axis 3 is normal direction. The first direction, the second direction, and it's normal. No problem. Axis 3, normal. Okay, continue. Outside, you can choose middle surface or top surface or bottom surface. Default is okay. Okay, continue. Assembly only one. Click OK. Step general. Static general. Okay. Create composite layer. Stress. Failure. Okay, enough. Mesh. Seed 1. Okay. Cell. Okay. The boundary this edge. Encaster. Select this line. X direction. Okay. Okay, this is a simple exam. Everything is okay. Let's run the analysis. Submit. Just wait. Okay. Let's see the result. Okay. Result. Selection points. 1. Apply. 2. Apply. 3. 4. Okay. Okay. This is a tutorial. Tutorial is very simple exam. I hope you can follow me. Okay, I hope you're happy. Thank you for watching. Okay. Smile with chat. At the working time. At the working time. If you have any problem, send email. This is my email. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.